Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special kind of video. I'm going to share some products with you that I was sent from a company that is new to me. I thought it was interesting and thought that we'd try a couple of their items out that they sent. And I think that you guys will like it as well. The website is OneDaySaving. The links to the products, to the website, discount code, all of that stuff will be in the description box below. It's OneDaySaving.com. They have diamond paintings, photo customization, nail art, mystery boxes, and much more on their website. Free shipping over $50 orders. They also have a reward system on the site, and every $20 spent gets you 500 points. And I have my very own discount code for 5% off, and it is ever after 05 off. So I'm going to put that on the screen. It will also be in the description box. This code always works as well. I picked 2 items. So these items were sent to me free of charge for PR. We're just going to jump right in now once I have that stuff out of the way. I chose to try out the diamond paintings. I've actually never done a diamond painting before, so this was intriguing to me. So we're going to find out exactly what you get in these packages here. The first one I'm going to share with you is a sea turtle diamond painting. This is a 30 by 30 centimeters, and this was $4.91 on OneDaySaving.com. This stuff comes really well packaged as well. You don't have to worry about it floating around the package and losing pieces. Here's the number for this product. And I'm going to show some photos of these products as well, because I won't be able to get them all in frame. I chose this one because I have turtles kind of theme. I love sea turtles in the bathroom, so I thought this would be really cute. And it's on like a thick canvas-like paper, and rolled up into that as well are the rhinestones or the diamonds that you use to put on there. You get a tool to adhere the diamonds with, or pick them up with, and then a little tray to sort your little diamonds with, as well as this little tacky stuff you put on the end of your tool to pick them up. And once again, this was $4.91 for all this. So you get the painting and then all of the stuff to go with it, which I think is a really good deal. Once again, I've never done this before. This is exciting. The other one that I chose is a Hogwarts diamond painting, and these Hogwarts themed and Harry Potter ones can be found in their Harry Potter category. And to find the sea turtles, I typed in turtle diamond painting in their search bar. This Hogwarts one is 30 by 40 centimeters, and it is $6.11 right now on the website. They do have this in various different sizes. This is one of the larger ones that they have to offer on the website. And same thing, really nice like paper canvas like material. There's the diamonds, the tool, and the tray. All comes with that. This one is bigger by a little bit, and I just love that. Hogwarts, and it also has all the houses in a like a crest. This looks so beautiful on the website. They have a couple different variations of these house crest ones. This one just really, I really love the purple and the pink and the blue flowers. Very pretty. I cannot wait to work on this one. And on the sides here, they have all the colored gemstones and stuff like that. And once you're done with these, you can frame them as well. You also have the film on them that you peel back and exposes the adhesive on the grid of the picture. It's a really neat website. Like I said, they have a lot of different things to choose from. I'm excited to dive into diamond painting. So thank you so very much, OneDaySaving, for sending me these items. And don't forget to check the description box for the links to these products, the coupon code, and the link to OneDaySaving. Thank you guys so much for watching.